Oh, I forgot to brush my teeth. In case you didn't notice, my hair is very wet. Not because I'm an extraordinarily sweaty person, but because I just had a shower. And I'm about to get ready to go to a housewarming party and figured that I would film myself getting ready. Because today I'm going to attempt something that I haven't done in a long time. Probably about 5 years. And that is a black smoky eye. Usually I like to use colour or keep it more on the nude side. But today I wanted to be a little bit more wild and go back to my gothic-y days. I feel like my nails kind of just match this look perfectly, so it just seems like I need to do a black smoky eye. I don't know what it is. But first of all, I'm gonna brush through my wet hair and hope it dries in time before party. Party pretty much already started about 40 minutes ago apparently. Yeah, I'm gonna be kind of late. What's this? What is this? I'm not gonna put moisturizer on my face because it feels crusty. I'm now gonna prime up my face. I'm now going to do something that I don't usually do, and that is prime my under eyes. I have an e.l.f. under eye primer here that I'm just going to dab a little bit under my eyes. I used to do this quite a lot, and then I kind of just didn't really see the point. It doesn't really make that big of a difference, but hey, I'm not about to just throw it away. Might as well use it. I'm now going to go even more crazy with the primer and prime my actual eyelid with this boy. This is another product that I'm not really too fussed about. Doesn't seem to make any difference. I actually arguably think that my general concealer seems to do a better job, but again, I'm not gonna throw it away. I think that's all blended in. Okay, I'm now going to move on to doing the eyes. I'm not gonna do my foundation yet. I'm gonna do the top half of my eyes and then do my foundation. Because I anticipate with black for there to be heavy fallout. So I am going to do the black eyeshadow and then do my face. So let's get a fluffy brush. Oh, what the heck? No, what happened to that brush? Not that brush. Let's go into a fluffier brush. Let's go with my trusty Anastasia BVDs and the black eyeshadow that I bought today. This little doodah from Model Zone. Now, I don't really understand it. Combine the primer and the creamy shadow in the mixing tray for a sassy, buildable foil finish that totally rocks. Let's give it a go, shall we? So I've got their cute little tray here. It looks pretty cool. And what it says is to just put in a little bit of the eyeshadow primer, liquid eye primer, and put it both in a little mixing tray. Do what it says, if I can fucking get it out. Okay, so it comes in like a little, like that, worded on there. Okay, and now I've got the eyeshadow, which looks like this. Quite like Model Zone packaging. I think it's good. So I'm just getting some on the brush like that, and it's actually like a cream eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna mix it on here. I can already see this not working, and then the fact that I'm about to go out after this means that this is just gonna be a complete disaster. Pretty much just set myself up for fail. So I'm just gonna So that didn't work. And you know what, I'm just gonna go in with the actual eyeshadow and just put that on my eyes. That seems to be a better idea. I think at the moment it just kind of looks a bit watery and just doesn't look right. What did I do? What did I do? Okay, not quite what I expected, but hey ho, we can work with it, it's fine. I've now got my trusty Anastasia Beverly Hills Novena palette, and I'm going to use some of the colours here to kind of blend out this harsh edge that we're dealing with right here. First gonna use the Volatile, this one right here, and maybe do a bit of this one here, just to kind of blend out that line. I'm gonna use the Volatile one first and just blend it. You want to just keep blending, and I'm just hoping that brush will just pick up some of that black along with it and just blend the two colours together. Difficult though. I don't have much experience working with cream-based eyeshadows. I usually just use powder. The only thing that I'm used to dealing with in a solid form is like gel glitters, which obviously are very much different than this. But you know, it's not looking too bad. I'm actually not going to use any of that other colour, whatever I said. I think it was Passion. I'm not going to use Passion. I'm just going to stick with Volatile because I'm feeling volatile and I feel like it looks quite nice just as is. Please tell me it's not just me that I can do one eye like one way and then the other eye just kind of goes, not completely miss, but kind of just a little, just enough to make me be like, come on, to do the same thing, just at least match. Like even if it was a shit match, I'd rather have 2 shit eyes than 1 good eye and 1 bad eye. Doesn't make any sense. There's a chunk missing from this one, the black eyeshadow. I don't really know what's going on there. I'm gonna go back in with the black eyeshadow and just fill in that gap there. For some reason it doesn't really want to fill in. What is wrong with my eyes? There we go. That's looking alright. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna go in with that black eyeshadow just here and just put them underneath. Actually, what I'm gonna do first is put some concealer under my eyes. So what I'm gonna do now is apply general foundation to my face. I'm using my trusty e.l.f. foundation. Although my skin is very pink because as I'm doing my makeup, I'm also pre-drinking a little drinky poo right here, which I don't know what it is. I must have like a mild, what the heck? I must have like a mild alcohol intolerance, or a major one. I don't really know what alcohol intolerance is, but either way, whenever I drink alcohol, it makes my face go pink, which is the worst thing ever when you're there and you spend so much time doing your makeup, making yourself all look all pretty and nice for a night out, and then you take 1 sip of your vodka coke and it all just goes down the drain. And I don't want to hear all this, oh, vodka's really bad, I drink rum instead. I don't like rum. I don't like spice rum's okay. Vodka is my drink of choice, so I have a hard time stepping away from it just because it makes my face a bit pink. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? If anything, the redness is good because it just adds a bit of colour to my face, you know? It's nice, it's nice. I think I put too much foundation on my hand, so now I feel obligated to put it everywhere, to put more than I need to. May or may not be a problem. I don't know, put some on my neck, blend it out. Okay, so I'm done with that. I'm now going to I'm going to conceal my under eyes just a little bit, just to try and make myself not look as tired and zombie-like. I'm a ZomBean, going with the same beauty blender because I can't bring myself to buy those tiny little beauty blenders. As adorable as they are, they just don't seem worth the extra money. It doesn't make sense to me why they're the same price as like the big beauty blenders. What the heck, is so unnecessary. I feel like I've got that in to blend that out. Keep going. Okay, looking alright. Maybe just blend this and this. Little triangle there. Give my face a little bit more definition. I spat a little bit then, that was gross. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm now going to go in with the powder. There's my powder. Okay, so I'm now going to, you know what, I'll finish off my eyes so that I know that it's done, and then I know how it looks and whether to wash all of this off and just go barefaced to this party. I'm just going to take that black eyeshadow and just balance out my eyes by darkening this bit. I'm not going to do my waterline because I don't particularly like the way that my eyes look when I do my waterline, so I'm going to leave that alone and just concentrate on the lower lash line. I find that it just makes my eyes look really small and key-like and just not good. Okay, blend that out gently. Where am I? Okay, this is as good as it's going to get. What was I doing? Okay, I'm going to move on to adding the lashes. What other lashes should I add? The goldy one. The last time I wore these lashes I only wore one, so I think I'm gonna have to get some scissors just to trim the other one. I think whilst that glue is just drying a little bit, I'm gonna quickly curl and mascara my lashes. Okay. 2 lash. So there on there. I'm gonna do my brows real quick. Just get them over and done with. There we go. Done with the brows. I'm now going to move on and finish off my face makeup. So that will be the bronzer. Where's my brush? Got my bronzer right here. Just gonna add some definition to my face. Okay, and next is, more importantly, the blush to try and add a little bit of colour, just a little bit of colour to my face. I'm just gonna whack a bit of that on there, just a little bit. Kind of just make the pinkness of my face like something that I've done on purpose, you know? Okay. Now my favourite part, and that is the highlighter. I love the highlighter, it's so fun. I'm gonna use the Starburst one down here, and from my Anastasia Glow Sugar Kit that I always use, and just add some on there. And put some on there. Put a little bit on there, a little bit. Put a little bit on here. And then I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, if I can find one. That'll do. Pop some on my brow bone. Just simultaneously making sure I don't mess up the eye makeup like I just did. There you go. And that's it. Oh no, I'm gonna do something for my lips because at the moment they're looking a bit plain. I'm gonna go with my e.l.f. lip gloss in colour Amethyst. This is it right here. I'm just gonna whack a little bit of that on there. There we go. And that's it. This is the look. I'm now gonna go and get changed. I don't have a hairdryer because I purposely didn't buy one after my last one broke. Purely because I wanted to try and get out the habit of blow drying my hair, even though I'm now realizing that's a really big problem because now when I have a shower in the morning, I end up leaving the house with wet hair and then people make comments like, "Oh, your hair's wet." And I'm like, bitch, I know I don't have a hairdryer. Thanks for reminding me. So yeah, I'm gonna go and get dressed and then just leave the house and just hope my hair dries by the time we get there. Maybe take a little brush or something just to like zhuzh it up when I arrive. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's still raining outside, so they might just think I was caught in a downpour or something. I don't know. Okay, so this is my outfit. It is a strippy skirt. At least that's looking a bit funky, but oh well. And then on the back, it is like backless here. Just like all roses going on the back. I also have in some little cat earrings as well, which I think are really cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, then don't forget to like and subscribe. If you'd like to see more get ready with me to various events, let me know down in the comments below. Why am I out of breath just getting dressed? What the hell? And that's it. Hope you all have a lovely day and I'll see you all next time. Bye.